Hannah and Kyler. They're not just hanging around at the Peru, Indiana Amateur Circus. They have their eyes on the prize, the chance to perform in this summer's week-long circus. But before they can fly, soar, jump, bounce, or walk high wire, they have to learn the ropes, the real ropes, from the ground up.
So right now, all these ropes you see is for the flying trapeze. It is, every one of them knows which rope goes to which hook and how to pull and how much to pull.
We are expected to set things up. We're expected to be a good role model for the younger kids.
Kyler's all over the circus floor, practicing, helping others, catching the flyer on the low casting trapeze act.
I'm trying out for Russian swing, teeterboard, low casting, juggling, and unicycle right now, and four lane.
Circus in Peru, Indiana, the so-called circus capital of the world, is a really big deal. It's history, it's in the blood. Hannah's trying to make the revolving balanced trapeze act. Performers must know to rig and set up safety equipment. It is a must.
It's a trapeze, and it'll be quite a bit higher in the air, about, say, 30 feet. And it'll be swinging, and while it's swinging, we'll be balancing on the track a little bit.
They need to learn how to set up their equipment, how to tear it down, the safety procedures, and just it all keeps them safe, and then it makes it flow. They realize why they do what they do to make themselves safe.
For an act like that, it has to be so delicate and tight. You have to have a lot of people hands-on and tightening things and making sure it's straight. It's all a big team.
There's a lot of work behind it too. I mean, I'm just having fun right now because I don't have anything going on, but when it comes to acts, there's a lot of work that goes into it.
You have to move faster than we moved on Tuesday.
The four-lane cradle looks like a mosh pit of bodies and humanity right now, but by Circus Week in July, it will need to be a well-oiled machine.
So usually you have 2 bigger kids, 3 medium-sized kids, and then a small. A perfect cradle would consist of strength, unity. You have to work together up there, because if you don't, then somebody could definitely get hurt or fall.
Here in Peru, Indiana, you have to earn your wings before you fly.